Samantala, naging matagumpay naman ang pagdaraos ng 3rd Outbreak Mission's Zombie-themed fun run sa Maynila nitong weekend. May layuning makatulong sa Heritage Conservation Society. Mahigit 4,000 runners ang nakigulo at nakisaya sa 8-kilometer race. Ito ang tinutukan ni Keisha Lili at narito ang kanyang report.
Napuno ng excitement ang 3rd edition ng Outbreak Mission's Zombie-themed fun run sa Intramuros, Manila nitong weekend. Iba't ibang challenges ang pinagdaanan ng mahigit 4,000 partisipante sa 8-kilometer race, habang hinahabol sila ng mga naka-costume at umaarte na parang zombie. Pakay ng bawat runner na sundan ang tema ng laro, kung saan kailangang mahanap nila ang gamot sa zombie epidemic na ginawa umano ng scientist na si Dr. Alfonso Adarna.
Ayun, masayang-masaya kasi once in a lifetime. First time ko dito. So, yun, nag-enjoy talaga ako kahit ako lang mag-isa.
Like, it was really scary, but then it's also, you got adrenaline rush the whole way, and it was fun whilst being scary.
Experience was awesome. We had a great time. Really good. The zombies, of course.
What? There were
The zombies in the park and having to run through the park and the playground.
I think it was the infrared.
The infrared, yeah.
That was fun.
It was all good.
Spotlight one was good.
It was all good.
The whole lot.
Okay naman siya, very
Exciting.
exciting. It's totally different from a na usual kong pinupuntahan. Yung best thing dito, nakalabas kami ng buhay.
Ayon kay event organizer Julie Malabanan, isang thinking game para sa mga naghahanap ng adventure ang one-night fun run.
This one is not just for runners only, it's for runners and non-runners. It's a thinking game, so parang live-action adventure talaga siya. So you create your own ending. You could be 10 people but have different endings and different experiences. I think deep down everyone wants to be chased by zombies. Filipinos have a fascination with horror movies. And this is a way to relive or to experience being in a video game-like setting to be chased by zombies.
Ang Outbreak Mission's Zombie-themed fun run ay isang patunay sa hilig ng mga Pilipino sa excitement at thrilling adventures. Para sa PTV Sports, Keisha Halili, Telebisyon ng Bayan.
At yan po ang matampok na balitang sports ngayong umaga. Ako po si Hazel Anselubon sa Good Morning Boss. Balik sa inyo, Diane and Jules.
Maraming salamat Sir Hazel sa Lubo.